Hello and welcome to the video walk around of the 2014 64 Mercedes-Benz A45 AMG hatchback with aero kit, finished in fire opal red with the black leather and Alcantara interior. It's a 3-owner vehicle for sale at Russell Jennings of Morpeth. Stunning spec, really clean and tidy car. It's covered 44,500 miles. UK car, mainly spent most of its life over in Cumbria. As you can see from here, it's very clean and tidy, well presented. It's got the full aero kit, privacy glass, 19-inch black and polished alloy wheels, beautiful red AMG embossed calipers, over just around 360 brake horsepower on this one. Front rear park distance control with reversing camera. It's got nice storage in the back, split folding rear seats. Underneath there you can see it's got the time mobility system, and there's the box for the Becker Map Pilot, which is the satellite navigation system. For sale at Russell Jennings of Morpeth. This is the third one we've had in the last 6 months. With aero kit, they're hard to come by. We do scour the market to try and find them. I'm sure you'll agree it's a lovely car. My name's Russell. I'll handle most of the enquiries of people looking at our stock at the moment. We have up to 30 cars at any time: Mercedes-Benz, Land Rover, Jaguar, Audi, BMW, Porsche, etc., or Porsche, however you would like to pronounce it. So let's take a look in the back here. Now it's the black and grey Alcantara leather combination with the contrasting red seat belts and stitching. 5-seat configuration with Isofix anchor points for the outer passengers. AMG embossed over carpets. We've got the nice red and black detailing continuing through the centre of the car. Now if you look around at the seats, they're an AMG embossed sports seat. Fantastic seat, really supportive, really sporty looking, and they're made by Recaro. Absolutely stunning. Again, over carpets there, multifunction steering wheel with the paddle shift gear change. Now what I will do is let's take a look under the bonnet before we spend too much time on the interior of the car. Now the aero kit as well, you've got the nice black fins on the lower part of the bumper, that silver Mercedes grille. Pop the bonnet up so you can see there. This one handcrafted by Oliver Roth there, the Mercedes-Benz AMG, and all nice and clean and tidy as you'd expect under the bonnet. Bodywork's very clean and tidy. There's no evidence of, particularly there's the odd stone chip, but not many. Very clean. Again, we've got some great funding options. You can offer up to a 4-year PCP on this vehicle. It has cruise control, automatic headlights. I've mentioned the paddle shift. This one has the Becker Map Pilot upgrade, so it's got satellite navigation. Let's jump in. It has, shut that, comes with 2 keys. Now I'll document the service history, and just that's awaiting confirmation, so that'll come through and I'll put that on the website. It's not here at the time of videoing, but you can see there's 2 keys there for it. So 44,784 on the miles. Start the car. I've got such a sound, the popping and banging that they do is fantastic. So DAB radio, there's your navigation, so it's all postcode entry. Let's have a look here. Now from here, if I come out of this section here and we press radio, you see DAB radio, FM as well, and we go up to the top, it's got Bluetooth telephone preparation, the navigation we've seen. But then if we look at the bottom here, and on the audio side, let's go into here, it's got CD player, USB storage, media interface so you can get a particular plug to match your device, Bluetooth audio and auxiliary input, so they do everything. They're a great system, very easy to use. If you look at what I'm doing, I'm moving the cursor up and down. Now the cursor is all controlled, or like your BMW's iDrive system from here, and you move up the different levels of the screen and turn left and right. Okay, so it's very easy. Once you crack that, you know how to work it. From here, I mentioned the heated front seats. You've got your stop start there, park distance control, and your fascia here. So we'll put the CD in there. You can preset your stations to these, and they're shortcuts and answer and enter phone calls as well. Now another thing is, if we look further down, we've got dual zone climate control, so I can have my side a different temperature to yours. And at the bottom here we have reverse neutral drive, into drive there, paddle shift gear change off here, which we've shown you, and it's fantastic. From this part here you can see what gear you're in. It's 7 forward gears there plus automatic, and you've got your menu there where we can go into the different settings here to see your navigation controls, the audio, change your station, etc. from here. Very easy to operate, great system. Bit of storage there at the front with a 12 volt output as well. Now in here, all the driver's handbooks there, all present and correct, and in the glove compartment you can see the lock and wheel nut bolt there as well. So everything's here, auto dimming rear view mirror, non-smoker interior, nice and clean, nice black headline, and keeps that sporty appearance that the vehicle has. Performance, 4-wheel drive, massive acceleration. They're just a fantastic car. So again, if you'd like to see any further, information, pick the phone up, 01670 515 055. Again, my name's Russell. Part exchange is not a problem as well. So click on the website www.russelljennings.co.uk, and thanks for watching. We'll look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.